Okay, welcome back to my channel. Today we are solving this system of linear equations. How do you handle this one? So what you do, you multiply the entire system, okay, by 100. The reason why I chose 100 is because the highest number of decimal places that we have here, it is 2. So we multiply this system, the entire system, by 100, so that we can have 50 x for the first part. 100 times 0.3, we're going to have 30 y minus 140 z is equal to 25. Then this 100 times the second equation, we're going to have 33 x plus, so it is negative here, 120 y plus 310 z is equal to 220. 100 again times the last equation, you're going to have 340x plus 100 y minus 175 z is equal to negative 350. So name this as your first equation, your second equation, and the last as your third equation. After you have this, now you decide the method to use. So in this case, we're going to use elimination method. So we're going to pick the first two equations using the first equation and the second equation. Okay, we can have 50x plus 30 y minus 140 z is equal to 25. And then we have 33x minus 120 y plus 310 z is equal to 220. So you decide which variable you want to eliminate. So in this case, let us eliminate y. Okay, for you to eliminate y, you have to make sure that you look for a number such that when you multiply the first equation and another number, when you multiply the second equation, the coefficients of y must be equal. Okay, so here the coefficient of y is 30, the coefficient of y there is 120. Okay, so which number can I multiply with? 30 and 120, so that I can have the similar coefficient here. Okay, the most intuitive one is to get 120 here and then 30 there, but you can use it smaller numbers. So let's have a 4 there, so that 4 times 30 will give me 120, and the 1 there, so that 1 times 120 will give me 120. So 4 times the entire equation here. So the first one will be 4 times 50, this 4 times 5, 200 x, plus 4 times 30 is 120 y, minus 4 times 0 there, it is 0. 4 times 4, it is 16. 4 times 4, 4 plus that 1 from 16, get 5. And then z is equal to 4 times 25 is 100. And then 1 times the entire equation here, you're going to get the same thing, because this is a 1, not much. It's going to, nothing is going to change. It's equal to 220. Okay, so now at this point, you're going to, since the signs are already different here, you're just going to add the two equations. So the first equation, the first term, 200x plus 33x, is going to give you, it's going to give you a, when we add that, what are we getting? We get a 233x, then this plus this is going to give you plus 0, then 560, negative 560 plus 110, and you're going to get 0 minus 0, get a 0 there, 6 minus 1, get a 5, then 5 minus 3, get a 2. negative 2, z is equal to, then you add the 2, you get 320 there. Okay, which you can write as 233x minus 250 z is equal to 320. So you can name this as your fourth equation. Next, go back again, choose which one you like to eliminate. We're going to use equation 2 and 3, and eliminate the same variable that we eliminated first. Okay, so choosing equation 3 and equation 2 and 3, so say using equation 2 and third equation, you can have we have 33x then minus 120y plus 310z is equal to 220, and 340 plus 100 minus 175 z is equal to negative 350. Okay, so here we want to eliminate y again, so multiply. Remember that we can multiply so that we can get the same coefficient here. So we can multiply this by 5 and this one by 6. Okay, so at 5 times 33 is going to give us 5 times 3, it is 15. We write 15. 5 times 3, 15 again, plus that 116x. Then 5 times 120 is going to give you 600y, plus 5 times 310 will be 0, 5, and another 5 z. 5 times 220 will be 0, 0, 10, 11. Okay, and 6 times 3, yes, so 0 minus 0 should have a 0 there. Okay, then 5 minus 5 should have also a 0. Then 5 minus 0 should have 5. Okay, so if you should have a 5 minus. Okay, and then now this is going to give you 1000. Subtract these two. Then from here we can divide through by what number? Let's say 500. 500, not a 500, a 5. Dividing through by 5, you should have 141x minus 100, z being equal to 5 into 10, negative 200. Okay, that is we can name this as equation number 5. Equation number 5. After having equation number 5, we can say using equation number 4 and number 5. So using these two equations, what is equation number 4? Equation number 4 is right here. We have 3x minus 250 z equal to 320, and 441, this one 441x minus, it's plus here, plus 100 z will be equal to negative 200, and then we are going to solve this simultaneously, because now we are remaining with only two variables. To do that, let's do elimination again. Okay, where 250 and 100 can go without leaving a remainder, the lowest common multiple is 500. Okay, so 250 goes how many times into 500? It goes twice. Then this goes into 500, goes there 5 times. So we should have a 2 here and the 5 times here, so that we can get the 500 here and the 500 there. So multiplying this throughout by 2, 2 times this, we have x times 3, 6, 6, 4, minus 500, z will be equal to 2 times 0, 0, 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 3, 6. And 500 times this, we should have a x there, should be 5. 5 times 4, 20. 5 times 4, 20 plus 2, 22. And then plus 500, z is equal to negative 1000. Then you add these two equations. What are you getting after adding? Adding this plus this. So 6 plus 5, you get a 1x. 6 plus 1x plus 6 plus 0. 6 plus 4, that 1, 7. Then 4 plus 2, 6. Then we have a 2 there. Then this plus this 0 equal to 6. 40 minus 1000 is negative 680. Okay, so your x will be just negative 68, negative 6, not negative 680, negative, I made a mistake here. The difference here should be 3. Okay, 60, 360. So 360 over this number, which is 2671. That is x is equal to negative 360 over 2671. Okay, this is the first solution for the x. So now you can pick any of the equations, okay, here to solve for the z value. So let us pick, we're going to pick this equation number 5 to solve for z, since we already have no x now. So we're going to pick 441x plus 100z is equal to negative 200. So we're looking for z. Z will be given by minus 200 over 100 minus 441 over 100 times x. The rest is just a matter of simplifying and substituting. So minus 2 minus 441 over 10 times 360 over 2671. Then we can divide out this number here and that. Okay, so we can have, then if you do this, we're going to multiply 441 times 36. So multiply 441 times 36, so that you have negative 2 plus, that is 15, 15876 over 26710. Okay, 26710. Then just write this as a single fraction. So now negative 2 times all this, what are we getting? We are talking about 2 times 26710. 26710. So we should have negative 53420 plus 15876 everything 26710 like that. From there we continue. Now finding the difference here, we're going to say 158 minus our answer. We're getting negative 37544 over 26710. So this is our Z. Okay, this is our Z. This is the Z value. So next is to find the Y value. So the Y value will be found by using one of the very first equations. Okay, which was saying that 340 x plus 100 y minus 175 z is equal to negative 350. Okay, negative 350. One of our initial equations. This is equation number 3. Okay, then we have x and we have z, so we're looking for y. So 100 y can be given by 175 z minus 350 x minus 350. Okay, minus 350. So from here we can divide through. We can simplify this. This is 340, 150, 340, 340. We can try to divide through by 5. Okay, 5 on this side. 175 divided by 5. Okay, so 340 divided by 5. Okay, dividing throughout by 5, we're going to get 5 this side is 20y being equal to, then 175 divided by 5, we're getting 35z minus 68x, then minus 7 0 minus 7 0. Then from here we substitute now. So we're going to have, what is our 350? What is the Z value? Z value is given by, we found it to be, it is down here, to be negative 37544 over 26710. Okay, we've put, where there is Z, we've put this number minus 68. Where there is X, we're going to put this number minus 360 over 2671. Okay, 2671, and then you close the bracket, minus 70, minus 70. So now it's just a matter of now simplifying these ugly fractions. So for you to do that, you should note that you can simplify this. You can simplify this out. Okay, this looks to be an even number. Looks to be even as well. So you can have 35. Okay, dividing this one by 2, we're dividing 37544 by 2, we are getting negative 18772 over dividing 26710 by 2, we're getting 13355. Okay, and we should have simplified the z value as well to this minus this times that, so to be plus, we're talking about 68 times 360. Okay, we get 24480 over 2671 minus 70. Okay, now 35 times all of this. So we're talking about 35 times 1877 and 2. So this is going to give us 657020 over 13355. Then there's a negative here, plus 24480 over 2671 minus 70. And then here we have 20y. Okay, then from here we can write this as a single fraction. Okay, lowest common denominator of this and that. Here the lowest common denominator here is lowest common denominator, common multiple of the denominators is 13355, because 13355 divided by 2671, you get 5. Okay, we're getting 5. So here we're going to have 1 negative 65720, then this times 5. So 5 times 24480, you get plus 1224, and then 00 minus, this is over 1, so 1 times 70 times everything here to be 70 times 13355, you get 934850. Okay, you get that, and then you now add what is on top. So you can have that 122,400 minus answer minus, this is our answer here, which is that number, minus this one, 657020. What are we getting? We're getting negative 14694. Okay, 70 over 13355. Remember there is 20y, so divide by 20 this side. Okay, divide by 20, we're going to have y is equal to minus 149470 over 13355 times 1 over 20, of which from here you can say the 0 and the 0 goes, and then the 2 times what is down there. So your y will become minus 14947 over 13355 times 2. It is a 26710, and that is the value of y, and that's how you solve this intimidating equation.